baby, now I'm here to stay. If you want me, yeah, you can call me call away. I'm just one call away, baby, yeah. Don't be shy, I'm here for you, baby, yeah. Now I'm fucking sad, yeah, baby, 'cause you wanna be with me, no. I know I got you on my fucking mind, you know I got you on your mind, yeah, baby, come closer, yeah. You ain't gotta fucking be petty, baby, yeah, I got this fucking shit. I fucking try to stack my chips, yeah. Before you fucking left, I fucking told you you gon' turn to work, 'cause you my boo, you a fucking ghost. Now you fucking gone, baby, yeah, you fucking gone. You fucking made me fucking feel bad, you made me fucking feel like shit, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah, would you fucking come closer? I just want you to stay with me, yeah, I want you to comfort me, yeah. When I'm fucking sad, when I'm fucking lonely, yeah, I only got myself, yeah. But when I met you, yeah, I fucking meant all the fucking shit, yeah, you fucking make me shit, yeah, I fucking made you feel like home, yeah, you made me feel like home, yeah, baby. I want your kiss, I want a blessing from you, baby. I know I did you wrong, I know you did me wrong, yeah. I know I did some petty shit you didn't want me to do, but you made me do that shit. Smoke this dope, yeah. Hey, smoke this trees, that shit. That's all I got to live for. Yeah, you don't want me no more. It's kinda sad I fucking left you, fucking left me, yeah. Now I don't want you, no, I don't want you, yeah. You can walk out the door, yeah. Got this fucking semi-matic on my fucking head, yeah. Hey, with the beamer, if your boyfriend tryna fucking do this shit.